on.
Is that
All units, code 3, let's move.
Perimeter, lock it down.
Chief?
Negative, hold position.
That sounds like you.
Suspect in custody. Good job,
Can you
team.
just compliment us?
Copy refill, over.
Okay, that's
Copy
enough.
that.
Where is my coffee?
Easy there, boss.
Not this one.
We're working on it, Chief.
Better be soon.
Is that ours? Let's move! Incoming! Outside's clear. What the? You gotta be kidding me. That thing sounded exactly like dispatch.
Morning, Doc.
Morning.
Doctor, these officers are sick.
Of working.
Perfect. Too true.
You made their day, buddy.
Pretty good, huh?
I needed that laugh.
He's actually
Oh, you gotta be kidding me.
That says more crackers.
I can't with this bird.
Squawk. Doctor orders.
All right, pen's coming back to me, Feathered Forger.
That's one I haven't heard before. Feeling proud, huh?
Told you so.
He thinks it's him.
Hey, that's my cousin.
Oh my.
Did that bird just...
Good grief. I'm taking these off.
Did it just talk?
It definitely talked.
That is wild.
Did that bird just...
Keep going, I guess.
Yep.
Call the police.
Yep, it did. What are we supposed to do?
I have no idea.
Seriously?
Here we go.
Cake twin only.
It's amazing. He's got jokes.
That bird's got style.
Thumbs up from the doctor. It's official.
Yeah. Good bite, buddy.
Look at him go. Never seen a bird crack a case like that.
He earned every crumb.
Case closed.
Officers, salute.
Yes, sir.
You're the best detective we have.
All right, Polly. You deserve that cake.